Hey guys, this is Nitya and today we are going to unbox Abronix Aux cable. So let's start. Here's the package. Let's open it. Okay, so I've just opened it. So first we have an invoice, let's keep it aside, and then we have this aux cable. Aux cable seems good. The quality, let's check it by opening this wrap. So this is the aux cable. The quality is just amazing. This is nylon braided. Here you can see golden nylon braided, and this is metal. Yes, this is metal, and these are gold plated aux cables. Here you can see nicely braided, nylon braided. Let's open it. Okay, so this is the lock. Let's open it. Okay, so I just opened it. The length is big. Here you can see it is big enough. It is very big. Here you can see. I'll just okay, so the length is just amazing. It's so big. Here you can see it is very big in length, so it can already may maximum fit a car. So if you have a car, if you are on the back seat, then you can control the tape recorder by on the back seat. So this is this much longer. This is the aux cable which we unboxed. I'm going to use this speaker to play the music, and let's put the aux cable inside the speaker first, and then I'll just put the another port inside the phone, and then let me switch on the speaker. Okay, so it has been connected. Here is a song. Let me play it. So this was the song played by the music. The aux cable works perfectly. The quality is just amazing, guys. You can see I'm doing this. Let me remove the iPhone and the speaker, and just I'm pulling off and nothing is happening. Here you can see. So this was a quick review and unboxing of this aux cable by Abronix. So thank you guys for watching this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.